Best wall mounts for consoles save space, improve ventilation, protect devices from damage, and create an organized, stylish gaming setup. My today's video is about top 5 best wall mounts for consoles that are available in the market. If you want to know price, and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at top, like PS5/Slim Pro Wall Mount Kit. The PS5 wall mount with charging and cooling fan is a game changer for serious gamers seeking both organization and performance. Designed for all PS5 models, including original, slim, and pro, disc or digital versions, it seamlessly accommodates your console while maximizing space efficiency. Its dual controller charger delivers a full charge in just 2.5 hours, with intuitive LED indicators showing blue when fully charged and orange while charging. The mount also features a headset holder and an extra USB port, keeping all accessories within reach. Cooling is taken seriously with 2 silent fans offering 3 adjustable speeds, ensuring optimal heat dissipation for prolonged console lifespan. Compatible with both PS5 and PS5 Edge controllers, it keeps devices organized and ready. Built from sturdy stainless steel, the mount provides excellent stability, preventing deformation or accidental slips. Installation is straightforward, streamlining setup while enhancing your gaming space. This mount not only protects and organizes your PS5 but also elevates functionality, convenience, and style for any gaming setup. Now our second product is JAWS Mimic Upgraded Adjustable Console Holder Wall Mount. The upgraded PS5 wall mount is a must-have for gamers seeking a secure, stylish, and functional console setup. Designed to accommodate all PS5 models, including original, slim, and pro, both disc and digital editions, it guarantees a perfect fit for any version. Built with robust construction, this mount securely supports up to 33 pounds, giving your console a stable, solid foundation without any risk of slipping or damage. Its open bottom design ensures optimal cooling by enhancing airflow, preventing overheating even during long gaming sessions, which helps prolong the life of your PS5. The premium smooth coating adds a sleek, modern look while protecting your console from scratches and everyday wear. Installation is impressively quick and simple. With a power screwdriver and the included step-by-step manual, you can complete the setup in just 15 minutes. Overall, this wall mount combines durability, functionality, and style, keeping your PS5 safe, ventilated, and perfectly displayed, an essential upgrade for any gaming space. Our third product is Xeonal Wall Mount. The Xbox Series X wall mount is an essential accessory for gamers looking to organize and protect their console and accessories while maximizing performance. Designed to store the console front-facing, it keeps all ports and the disk drive fully accessible, allowing seamless gameplay. Beyond the console, it provides dedicated spaces for headphones, controllers, game cards, and portable hard drives, ensuring everything is neatly organized and easy to reach. Its detachable controller and headphone holders offer flexibility, letting you arrange them on the mount or console according to your setup preferences. Ventilation is a key feature. 24 small holes on the bottom and 5 large holes on the back promote efficient heat dissipation, preventing overheating while accommodating HDMI, USB, Ethernet, and power cables. Constructed from high-quality ABS material, the mount supports up to 45 pounds with a coated surface that resists rust and scratches. Installation is quick and straightforward with the included screws, anchors, bubble level, and manual, making it stress-free. This mount combines durability, organization, and cooling efficiency, enhancing any gaming space. Now number 4 is Xeonal Wall Mount for Nintendo Switch. The Nintendo Switch wall mount is a must-have for any Switch or Switch OLED owner looking to organize and elevate their gaming setup. Designed to keep all ports fully accessible, it securely stores your console while allowing you to install it near your TV for the best big screen experience. Its thoughtful foam strip design ensures your Switch dock stays in place, prevents slipping, and protects against scratches. Foam strips also allow airflow, helping prevent overheating during long gaming sessions. Space-saving features include 5 game card slots and 4 T-shaped Joy-Con hooks, keeping your favorite games and controllers organized and easily accessible. Constructed from solid metal with a powder-coated finish, this mount is durable, rust-resistant, and built to last. A large ventilation opening at the bottom enhances heat dissipation for optimal console performance. Installation is simple, requiring just a screwdriver and the included screws, anchors, and bubble level. This mount blends functionality, protection, and style, making it perfect for solo or family gaming sessions. And our last choice is Risker PS5 Wall Mount Kit. The PS5 wall mount with cooling and charging is a premium accessory for gamers seeking organization, protection, and enhanced performance. Compatible with all PS5 models, including Original, Slim, and Pro, both disc and digital versions, it securely holds your console while saving valuable floor or desk space. The integrated headset holder keeps your PS5, controllers, and accessories neatly organized, making it a perfect gift for friends or family. Beyond storage, this mount doubles as a cooling stand with dual adjustable fans. You can select low, medium, or high speeds via touch control to prevent overheating during intense gaming sessions. Rapid charging is built in, with 2 slots that fully charge PS5 or PS5 Edge controllers in just 2.5 hours, indicated clearly by LED lights. Customizable RGB lighting adds a stylish gaming ambience with 9 color modes and a memory function that retains your last setting. Anti-slip padding ensures stability, and included installation tools, screw storage, and a level bubble make setup effortless. This wall mount combines style, functionality, and performance for the ultimate PS5 experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.